Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm making passata, which can be the base for any pizza, pasta or even lasagna. Let's see how it's made. I'm going to take a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and then add about half a kilo of roughly chopped tomatoes. Try and use a variety tomato where there is a lot of flesh so that it gives a good body to the sauce. And then about a teaspoon of salt, a spoon of mixed herb, and then a little sugar just to balance the taste, 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Let's give this all a good mix. And I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook till all the tomatoes are done. And now that our tomatoes are fully cooked, I'm going to grind it with a stick blender, something like this. And in the next step, I'm going to sieve this to get a smooth sauce. Let's put it back on the hob and let it boil for a few minutes so that the sauce thickens. So about 3 to 4 minutes, we have our passata ready as a base for any pasta, pizza or even lasagna. I hope you like this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.